Another combo machine here, guys, the chin up and dip machine. It's an assisted machine, which means if you need it, you can fold this out of the way and you can do it just with your body weight. But if you need the assistance, we have a counterbalance system here with the weight stack, and that'll allow you some resistance. Unlike most machines, adding more weight on this actually makes it easier because there will be more assistance rendered for you. So first up, Andy's going to demonstrate the chin-up machine. His knees will be on here. He has multiple options for the handles, so he can try different hand grips. He's going to lower himself down, so the platform will be taking some of the resistance, and then as he pulls back up, it's a regular chin-up, all the way up. So his chest is nice and high, pulling his shoulder blades together at the back. And we're working on those lats there and the centre back musculature, as well as the arms. They get some involvement as well. So with this kind of thing, again, aiming for maybe 3 to 4 sets of say 8 to 12 reps would be great. The other option here is a dip machine. So this time we're going to be working the opposite side. This will be chest, shoulders and triceps. Same again, we can add some resistance there that'll assist. And Andy's going to lower himself down like that. If he wants to work his chest more, he'll lean forward. If he wants to work his triceps more, he'll stay more upright. Like that. As usual, guys, nice and controlled movements. There's no need to rush on these. We want to stimulate that muscle growth as best as possible. Awesome. If you guys are still unsure or you'd like more help, why don't you come work with us one-on-one? Check out the link below or come see us in person downstairs and let's get after those goals.